Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Beloved Hazur.
Islam.
My name is Zahir Ahmad Suwachi, and my question is: what is the Jamaat point of view concerning extraterrestrial life?
Extraterrestrial life. Yes, we believe that there is a life in other planets as well. That is what you mean, huh? You mean that if there is any life in the other planets, or in other or there is any other universe which has the life? Yes, there are some other universes. Even Prophet Muhammad has said there are quite a number of universes, and it is quite possible that there is a life in any of the other universes, right? And other planets as well, but we don't know the actual position of them. But still, some scholars say even the Quranic Kareem, from the verses of the Quranic Kareem, we construe that the time will come when there will be a signal from the other planets to our Earth, and then there will be a mutual communication. So when it will happen, how will it happen? Allah knows better. But there is a life there, yes. Right?
Okay.